Hi there, my name is Andrew, and I'm a product training specialist here at Thermador. And today, I wanted to walk through with you some basic cooking modes on your wall oven. So let's take a look to make sure that you become the best at-home chef that you can be. So Speed Convection has to be one of my favorite modes. As somebody who loves to entertain around the holidays or for weekends, this is perfect for everybody who loves those frozen appetizers. So what Speed Convection is in your Thermador wall oven is that no preheating is actually required. So when the mode is activated, it will prompt you to place your food inside the oven right then and there. Not only are you saving that package time, but you also get perfect crispy results every single time. Pizza mode is great for either fresh or frozen pizza. Now, although most pizza brands just tell you to bake your pizza in your oven, here at Thermador, we take it a step up a notch. So what we actually use is multiple elements in that oven to make sure that that crust is perfect and nice and golden brown, and that cheese falls right on off with that ooey gooey texture. Now, regardless if you're doing fresh or frozen, there are a couple different ways and helpful hints that we can help you out. So if you are doing a frozen pizza, just place it directly on the rack. If you're doing fresh pizza, we always recommend a pizza stone that you can place in the oven beforehand so that while the oven is preheating up, your pizza stone also gets warm as well. If you're a true chef like myself, you may want to try proof. Although proof isn't a perfect baking mode, what you can actually do with it is it makes your oven cavity the perfect temperature so that your yeast can rise, so when you are making that perfect and fresh dough, that everything comes together as perfect as it can be. Our Thermador wall ovens also have something known as True Convection. Now, you may have heard of bake before, you may have heard of convection bake before, but True Convection is like both of those on steroids. So how ours differs from bake is that we are using different elements. We're also using the convection fan, but we also have a third heating element in the back of our wall ovens. This is equipped with all Thermador wall ovens. So the nice thing about it is that if you're doing anything in layers of multiples, 3 racks of brownies, 6 racks of cookies, 10 racks of vegetables, whatever crazy amount you want to do, our ovens can handle it. So for instance, if you're doing 6 racks of cookies, that no matter where you place them in the wall oven, they will come out perfect and consistent every single time. So it doesn't matter top left, bottom right, or in the middle, I promise you, you will see those even and consistent results.